bags now.
No, Mama said we should get garment bags with our logo on it.
Right now.
You can call me Carrie if that's easier. No Karen.
Oh, it's funny. We have a cousin named Carrie. His daughter name is Carrie.
And then she goes,
Either
well,
one
thank you for telling me because we won the
I'm
playoffs.
Jackie. Nice
And
to
she's
meet you.
going to have us walk on the field with me.
Nice to meet y'all. They all 20 of them already here? They all?
I think it was probably one. Oh yeah, I asked her. She said I could probably get my makeup done by her.
I told you.
Oh, you still recording?
Oh, stop it. Stop it. Damn, I guess I am really getting to work. Excuse me, sorry.
It's the legend herself. Oh my God, your items are beautiful.
Thank you so much. I was like,
So unique, so awesome. It's gorgeous.
thank you so
So
much.
yes.
Hopefully they're good. I know some of them have like a low cut. I don't know if I should probably like get like some button down shirts to put under it or what. That could probably look good with it. It's gonna be okay. So this will be no, my name is Jackie.
Now it's Dino.
You trying to hold it?
Hi. What?
Let's say little lights with my lip.
I don't see no single. You said what?
She said, I don't see no like, girl.
You want to see mine?
Girl, I don't see anything. I see nothing.
It looks really good on you.
I promise.
It looks really good on you.
It look good. Thank you.
Yeah, you ain't got nothing. I mean, you can still try.
Yeah, I guess to try, but I'm like, it's real feel like I had to hurt her.
Oh.
Cause this part.
That's cute.
Yeah.
So when somebody's
I did a lace.
Feel like me at the.
So after I got all the models in their outfits, we went ahead and checked into the room. The room was so spacious and comfortable. I would say, I don't know why, it's always cold when you first step in. So you know what I did? I turned that air to 78, okay? I was looking at the views and everything, and then I went back downstairs to see how rehearsals were going, seeing how the models would be walking, because like I said, I never met any of the models. I just got here and meeting everybody for the first time, putting faces to the names and getting to meet all my models. So this is a good walkthrough. The models was phenomenal with their heels on, baby. They was walking. And I added my girl Ladea into the fashion show because she looked too good in that blue dress not to be a model, okay? So after I saw the rehearsals, y'all, we didn't eat all day. So you know what I found? I found a vegan restaurant literally 2 minutes away from the hotel. Like, look at God. It's just God all weekend, God every day really, but this weekend in particular for Faith and Fashion. I got the seafood platter, okay? And this lady, she went crazy on the food. It was a 10 out of 10. I devoured my food. Ask my sister. I devoured it.
Let me show her. So how do you feel?
Excited, a little bit nervous, not too much, but yeah, I can't wait. Big day. The outfit.
Yes, do it. Twirl, twirl, twirl. Okay.
And throughout this whole thing, you're gonna see I did outfit changes for me.
Like this, man. So biblically,
As we got closer to showtime, I'm just checking on everybody and getting some videos of my girls.
Day. Of course, fashion is fun. It's brilliant. It's super cool to see everything come together. But there's nothing like the design of how God made you to be. And so it's nothing like the design of your purpose. There's nothing like the design of your fingerprint. You're not a copy. You're an original. So if you don't be who God has created you to be, we all miss out on something.
By Jacqueline Spann, also known as the Jack of all trades. She is a designer, creative director, and marketer. 1, 2, 3.
At this very moment, I kind of just said, you know what? I want to show one of my pieces that did not make it onto the runway because I couldn't find a model to wear it. And I said, let it be me and let them know like who the designer of this brand is.
She's gonna come out and walk for us, okay? Everybody introducing Miss Jackie Spann. You better strike. You better strike. Y'all go follow her on Instagram, Jackie Spann. An amazing, amazing, amazing job. Jack of all trades. Girl, the looks was good, okay? I love that.
We work. There go my sister. She's doing work during trip time. It's a Saturday, y'all. Look up. Oh, don't look up.
Okay, y'all, so we're doing day 2. I believe today is praise and worship, but you know, we're all praise and worship in fashion, so this is the outfits. Got the heels matched to the ear.
So this wouldn't be a faith and fashion experience if I didn't show you the faith aspect. So today we're diving all into praise and worship, hearing amazing words from pastors and many more great things today.
Just hear that in your spirit. Go. Yes, I will go.
You know, a lot of times people do environments when it comes to fashion. And a lot of times people have environments when it comes to faith. But not too many people are combining those environments together. So Tiana and your team, I want to honor you guys, and I hope you guys just join me in honoring. And he's telling us not to conform to what? The world. See, there's two systems that are on this earth. I like to call them Satan LLC and Jehovah Enterprises. Two different systems. Two different principles.
Whatever you will.
So that was the end of the Faith and Fashion experience. We were so hungry, or I was so hungry because everybody else already ate. So I went back to our vegan spot and got this amazing lasagna, even though they said we
But I got the lasagna and red beans, y'all. I was supposed to get some waffles and some chicken waffles, but we here. They decided not to do it today, but we here. We got the food. We got some fries.
Like an hour went by and I was still hungry, so we went to this other vegan spot and I got me a matcha lavender tea, and we all actually split this vegan breakfast sandwich. And I guess you could say I really didn't eat more because we all split it and I just had a drink and I didn't have a drink.
Y'all, this is a vegan.
I'm really trying to validate why we went somewhere second, but here it is. It was delicious. It was 10 out of 10. It's called Magpie. Delicious. We're a really social family, so after eating we actually met up with one of the workers and her dad while we was there, and we kind of just chatted the time away before heading into our family outing.
Found a guy. Said, "Can I tag along with you Monday?" He goes, "No, but you can go to the Cotton Bowl and hang out with us."
One of the many things we love to do is just look at the landscape and building structure of different states when we do go out of town, because every state, every country is different. And we noticed they have a lot of basements and a lot of sunrooms in Louisiana / Baton Rouge. We're here for it, okay?
Screen door. I think everybody got a sunroom.
19. This stuff.
Basic,
Oh, Shirley.
I just gotta hold it.
You can leave everybody from home. She acting like she on the building. I don't like this. Work from home. I just called him dad. I mean, it was like he wanted to name.
The way it needed to work out. That's right. Even with Lil Milton, I played with Lil Milton off and on 15 years.
I'm listening.
I hope you enjoyed my first fashion show vlog. It will be many more of these, and I'm going to do a recap of everything on a recent video. But please subscribe and follow me on Instagram.